I want to talk about overcoming the fear of eating intuitively. Have you ever felt trapped between your desire to lose weight and your fear of letting go of strict ways of eating? Many of my clients have told me they just don't trust themselves to follow their intuition to eat. They think that they will be laying on the couch all day eating pizza and ice cream and chips, but they won't. We've listened to all the gurus of the diets for years. Eggs are bad, then eggs are good. Meat is bad, then meat is good. Who can stay up with all of it? But now is the time to start listening to you. At different times of your life, you need different kinds of nutrition. My client Jenny was afraid of allowing herself to eat outside of these great rules that she had placed on herself. Number one, no carbs, especially no bread. Never eat before bedtime. All sugar is bad. And weigh yourself every morning. If your weight is up, restrict everything that day. But when she was able to think differently, she was amazed at how much less she was actually eating than when she was listening to them. When she allowed herself to pay attention to her intuition, she could focus on feeling good every day and what foods would make her feel that way. Another thing that changed for her was when she decided to just eat when she was hungry instead of when the clock said it was lunchtime. And then if she wanted chocolate cake, she would have it and taste each bite. Before she was scared, she would eat the whole cake if she just allowed herself to taste one little bite. But now she just eats as much as she wants. And she says sometimes it's only half a piece. And she's so proud of herself. And she just is living with so much more joy and really enjoying food again. And the fears we place on food are just crazy. We have all these things in our head, but hypnosis sessions really can help rewire your mind so you won't fear following your intuition for the best way to eat for you. Another client of mine, Martha, would listen to a short audio hypnosis recording at times when she'd usually grab food, when she was going to eat emotionally. And she was amazed how she'd automatically reach for an apple after her session instead of the chips. It can be very calming and it helps you to make a lot better choices. And mindset is so important in how we eat. Years of training have told us that certain foods are bad and others are good. But when we're able to eat what our body wants and enjoy it, everything in our body works better. I had a client that was craving fruit, but she wouldn't allow herself to have it because she was on a keto diet. I said, how about if you just allowed yourself to eat that just for half a day? She felt so great and her body started working so much better. That convinced her to start listening to her body. And what happens is we become more balanced in our body, mind, and spirit. And then we begin to really enjoy eating again. We become healthier and feel great because we're craving real food instead of the other things we used to crave. So what would it feel like if you were to enjoy your food without any guilt or fear? That chocolate can be just what your body needs. And when you eat consciously, you eat only as much as will satisfy your needs and you don't binge. So to recap, number one, eat to feel good every day. Eat only when you're hungry. Change your mindset with hypnosis to get rid of your fears about eating and enjoy your food. And by conquering your fears about food, you're not just able to lose weight, but you become liberated and excited about your relationship with food. So allow yourself to be free and love food again. Also, allow yourself the 20 minutes to listen to my body acceptance hypnosis recording that helps you get in touch with yourself and how your body wants to eat.